Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this voltage detector from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. So let's open it up. So it comes with the tester instruction manual as well as the tester. Okay, it's made of like a hard shell plastic. Does come with two batteries. They just kind of screw in here at the top, I believe. Takes two AAA batteries. That was included. Okay, to turn the tester on, you press and hold the power button and it indicates that it's on. You have two different sensitivity settings, L for low, H for high. You can set these. These are your signal strength lights. You have the LED light off and on. You have a pocket clip that you can clip to your shirt or tool bag. That's really all there is to it. All the sensors are contained within near this induction probe. You do not necessarily have to touch the wire. It's a touchless wire detector, and it will detect if there's voltage anywhere from 12 volts up to 1,000 volts. So let's give it a try. So obviously there is voltage here, so we'll get close to that and you see it's detecting it even before I touch it. If you touch it, here's another one on the extension cord. This one's not plugged in, so you can see it's not detecting. This is low voltage that's going to like my internet, so you can see it does not pick up low voltage. It has to be 12 volts or more. This is some electrical wires to my tool battery chargers, you can see. Okay, to test this electrical outlet, you have to insert the probe into the small section of the electrical outlet right at the edge. This is the neutral. Right is hot. Okay, this motion sensor light does detect that it's a hot inside. So when you're through using it, just press and hold the power button until the light goes off, and then you can store it in your tool bag. So this is a very easy and simple to use voltage detector.